There's so many wonderful reasons to eat sunflower seeds.
For Catherine Nigmeyer, that includes their flavor, their low price, and the fact that sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E. Catherine's no-cook summer recipes are designed to get her out of the kitchen fast. She says all you need for today's sunflower veggie wrap is a good knife and a blender.
Now I have 1 cup of the soaked sunflower seeds in here. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard.
Then she mixes in some chopped celery, red onions, fresh tomatoes, and avocado. Finally, she wraps the whole salad in a colored leaf.
There's nothing cooked, so all the nutrients that are in the food, you get it in its raw, natural state.
Catherine, who's known for her plan-to-play cooking classes, says she started eating a plant-based diet to lose weight. But now she can't imagine eating any other way.
I lost over 80 pounds, but now it's about how this food fuels me every day.
And for today's dessert, Catherine uses dates to sweeten her almond orange joy balls.
It has 3 simple ingredients. It has almonds, dates, orange.
Fortunately, you won't have to make a special trip to a health food store. Catherine says all of these ingredients are available at your local supermarket.
If you make this recipe and bring it to a party this summer, don't tell anyone that it's raw. Just bring dessert, let them bite in, and all enjoy it.
I'm Mary Musi, News 12, Long Island.